where's your presence in terms of those of us that live in East Nashville?
Go ahead.
So that's a great question. So if you're not seeing our police car, that's really good for your area as far as
No,
maybe
it's not, because we got
Go introductions. Let's just get into this. I always find press releases interesting, especially when it comes to law enforcement, because agencies, police departments, cities, really companies, organizations, no one's really going to come out publicly and say, hey, this is why this is happening. So in this case, it looks like Nashville's having some issues, and I'm going to put some screenshots up as I talk, but it seems like there is an issue, and this is why this town hall is happening, is because there's a crime wave. Criminality is increasing, response times are longer, and so they go out in front of the public asks questions, and I sympathize with these people because they want real answers. But the issue is the police department can't just come out and say, hey, we're being hit on all sides here. We have issues at the very top, to include our police chief sleeping around on company time, right? Can't just come out and say that, hey, leadership issues and leadership changes is going to change how things are run on the street, because they are. If you think that getting and having your chief of police having to immediately step down isn't going to change things on the street, you're wrong. You have commanders of different precincts that are changing. If you think that's not going to have an impact on what happens on rank and file officers in the street, you'd be wrong again. And then the fact that there's a staffing issue, right? When you have a staffing issue and you're hundreds of officers down from where you want to be, that's going to change what you see on the streets. And then you see the political landscape of law enforcement, depending where you're at. That's going to cause problems. And then you have a training component of that. Are the officers trained? Do the officers know what they can and can't do? How well equipped are they to do the job that's being asked of them? That's going to change and determine the type of service you get on the street. So it's really sad, because you have all these things going on in Nashville right now, and then you have this female sergeant that wants to get in front of everybody and say, well, if you don't see our police car, that's a good thing. It's like, really? And then that's the sad thing, that's her job. That's her full-time job, and she had to have known she was going to get asked that, and with that being the best answer she could give, maybe she needs to. They have courses you can take. There's classes for this kind of stuff. So looks like Nashville's getting the brunt end of it. Hopefully they pull through. Well, if you guys like this content, please like, share, subscribe. And as always, guys, long live the Republic.